What if the world is only a tiny slice of the whole pie? I mean, what if everything you experience, for example, this screen, the room you're in, even yourself, is just a fraction of reality? Some of the smartest physicists in the world believe our universe might have not 3, not 4, but 11 dimensions. So, where are they? First, let's get one thing straight. A dimension isn't some mystical portal, it's just a direction you can move in. Think about it. You can move left and right. That's one dimension. You can move forward and backward. That's 2. And you can move up and down. That's 3. Easy enough, right? These are the 3 spatial dimensions we live in: length, width, and height. Everything you can see, touch, or hold has these 3. A book, a car, a building, they all exist in this 3D space. It's the world we know and navigate every single day. But that's not the full story. The 4th dimension is time. Without time, nothing would ever happen. The universe would be a single frozen photograph. Time is what allows things to move, to change, to grow, and to age. It gives our 3-dimensional world a story, a past, a present, and a future. So we have our 3 dimensions of space plus 1 of time. That's 4. So why stop there? This is where things get really fascinating. When physicists tried to create a single theory to explain everything from gravity to the tiny particles that make up atoms, their math kept breaking. The equations just didn't work. But then they tried adding more dimensions, and suddenly the math clicked. The theories only made sense if the universe had extra hidden dimensions. So how can we picture these higher dimensions? Imagine an ant walking on a tightrope. From the ant's perspective, it can only move forward and backward. The rope is a one-dimensional line. But for us, looking from far away, we see the rope also has thickness. It has width and height. The ant is just too big to notice those other directions. The extra dimensions of our universe could be just like that, real, but curled up so incredibly small that we can't perceive them. This brings us to string theory. It suggests that the fundamental building blocks of the universe aren't tiny points, but small, vibrating strings of energy. And for the physics of these strings to work and describe our reality, the universe needs exactly 11 dimensions, 10 of space and 1 of time. We don't see these 7 extra dimensions because they're likely curled up smaller than a single atom, existing everywhere, but completely hidden from our senses. But even though we can't see them, they could be shaping the very fabric of our reality, influencing everything from the force of gravity to the nature of existence itself. It just goes to show the universe might be far, far bigger and more complex than we can possibly imagine. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this little trip through the dimensions, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.